Hey guys, check this thing out. Another Radioddity. This is a tiny radio. They asked me if I wanted to do a review of this one, and I said absolutely. I got a buddy that's looking for a really tiny radio to put in his Toyota pickup, and I think this one will work great for him. So we're going to hook this thing up, see what it's all about, see how well it works, and then we're going to... I don't know if I'll make the video of it or not, but it's going to end up going in my buddy's truck. All right, let me figure out a way to get this thing hooked up, because from the factory, it comes with a power outlet plug. And I don't have any power outlets here in the house. I don't even have one in my car. The one in my car burned out about 6 years ago, and I've just never gotten around to fixing it. So we're going to have to wait until, well... I'm going to just adapt something to connect to here because my buddy may use this. He may end up just putting the radio on his dashboard. And if he does that, this will be pretty convenient. I'll give him some stick-on Velcro to use. And then he can just remove the radio when he's not using it. Alright, let me get this thing powered up. I'm going to adapt something to this to be able to connect it to my standard 3-pin power. Alright, let me get to that and then I'll bring you right back. Alright, I get the power hooked up to it. I did a little quick and dirty, just a little attaching some wires right to that outlet plug. Alright, we have the radio on. Look at that. We got backlit buttons and a nice little screen on there. We're on AM and channel 28. We even got a signal meter on this little radio. The knob controls the volume. For the channels, they're on the microphone. So you press the microphone buttons to bring the channel up and down. Things like the RF gain, it's the same thing. You use the buttons on the microphone to adjust the RF gain. 3 seems to be the lowest it goes. So we're going to leave that one there. Press it again and it goes away. Oh, my pencil's coming out of there. We got the squelch. Oh, it went away too quickly. The squelch, I currently have it off, but it's adjustable. What does it go up to? Probably 10. Nope. Keeps on going. Wow. Squelch goes way up there, doesn't it? Alright. It goes to 34. We're going to leave the squelch off because I don't need it on at the moment. Then we have the AF, which switches from AM to FM. It's a pretty basic radio. It's a nice little radio. It's got the nice... it's an Anytone style microphone. As you see, it says Radioddity on there. Good microphones though. These have good sound. So far, even the receive isn't bad. It's a tiny little speaker. Let me show you the bottom. I mean that's... Look, my thumb can just about cover the whole thing up. But it has pretty decent sound out of that little speaker. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but... here, standing right next to it, it sounds pretty good. All right, let's do just a quick check. Let's see what the power output is. All right, let's check out the Dosey Feel Good watts. You ready? Looks like we got a dead key just under 3 watts. You see that? And it's got some swing. Look at that. Alright, with a whistle, with talking, it goes way up. I sorry, I hit 7 to 8 there for a second. Not a bad little radio. And if you're going to use this to power one of those, well, let's put that up. Let's turn that thing on. And look at that. No problems. We got a little bit of feedback coming from the audio system that's on in the room. Alright, we got the power output checked. We're going to kill that thing. And we'll go back to that radio. Cool little radio. Like I said, this thing is tiny. Let me show you. A roll of electrical tape. Look at that. It is a little radio. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the adorable little mounting bracket. And the bag of hardware. In the bag you have the screws for that, an extra fuse, and the mic holder and all the screws for it. Also comes with, look at that, more cat hairs. I got 2 white cats and they leave fur everywhere. Comes with the owner's manual. There's not much to this radio, so you really take a quick look through here and then you're pretty much done. You can see on the back it's got a spot for an external speaker and the antenna. And the power wires are permanently mounted to the radio. That's not removable. That's pretty much it on this radio. It's a cool little one. If your space is a problem, this is a great one to just use some Velcro and stick it to your dashboard when you want to use it. It's got the cigarette lighter plug, the power outlet plug, so you can just remove this thing right off your dashboard, use a magnet mount antenna, and you can just take the whole setup right out of the car. Good too if you use a rental car a lot, rental car or rented truck, because then you can put this in there and when you're done with the car, pull it right back out. Alright guys, that's the Radioddity. It's a CB27 Pro mini CB. It really is mini. Cool little radio though, very cool. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.